So, okay, we have to do introductions because people don't know me.
Okay, so welcome to Hair by Yonia. It's been a minute since I've been on, but I figured new year, let's get this poppin', let's have some fun. This is B of B Stoked Styling.
I'm gonna put that right there.
And you're gonna love her. She's so much fun. This is like this is my hair bestie right now. Okay, yes. This is what we do together. So
we're doing a throwback video on
I'm excited. Early 2000s,
middle school, high school.
Oh, the hair, the makeup, the tragedy.
Hence my shirt. This is Phineas and Ferb.
I love Phineas and Ferb.
Agent P. For those of y'all who don't know, check that out. Check it out.
Is that early 2000s though?
I don't know. It was a cartoon. Was it?
I don't know.
I mean, this was still when my...
We were still in our teens.
We were still in our
teens. Really matters.
And this is still when my makeup was tragic. So, I'm gonna recreate it for you.
This is gonna be so much fun. We're gonna do hair, we're gonna do makeup, we're gonna take it back to middle school, high school. Let me paint the scene, okay? It was, what, 2002 to 2005 or 6, okay? Boxer braids were still cornrows.
Yeah.
We still did that. That was still the thing back then. Cornrows, yeah. Let's see.
Cornrows, I had designs in mind. I don't know about y'all. Spirit Week.
Alicia Keys was like her hair.
Yes.
Everybody wanted the Alicia Keys braids.
I'll put NEHS for my high school, Northeast High School, shout out. It'll be right there in the back of my head. I'll get that braided in music class, y'all know.
Oh girl, dance class. Y'all know. We sitting in the auditorium and we would be getting our hair braided and played with. Yes.
So we taking it back. I mean, I'm not going all out with that, but you know.
That's too much. We can't do that.
No, I can't. No,
but I can't live that life.
But that era.
That was what we did. That was fun. I'm from Miami, so we were in Miami. We were doing a size swoops with a ton of gel. Why do you hate it though? Oh, Georgia be hating.
I'm from Georgia, so you know we were lit. We had, you know, our twist
and we're still lit, so whatever.
Anyway, so we're from the South.
Yeah.
So we're good.
Well, I'm not from the South. I'm from Miami. There's a difference.
Yeah.
You're from the South.
I'm not gonna go.
It's a thing.
I'm not gonna go there with you.
Okay, y'all know.
I'm not gonna go there with you.
Okay.
All right. So
here we go. This is for you.
Oh, thank you, Mia. So in middle school, high school, all that stuff. I don't know about you, but I couldn't wear makeup until the 10th grade.
No, I couldn't even. Oh my God, I had to wait till my quinceañera till I was allowed to color my hair, do makeup, or live.
That's 10th grade.
Live my life.
That's different. Okay. But you know,
it didn't stop me from sneaking.
I was gonna say, but you know, you snuck.
Yes,
and so when I was sneaking, my favorite color to put on my eyes was green. Okay.
Like, you want to know my favorite thing to do?
What was your favorite one?
White eyeliner. I
can't with you. You clearly watched America's Next Top Model.
Who didn't though? I just wasn't cool enough. I didn't know about eyeshadow. Plus, like, my mom would go to work and then I would have to go to school, right? So I would just like, once she went to work, I would steal her liner. Why did she have white eyeliner?
Because it's supposed to make your eyes pop. That's what Tyra says.
Because she's from the 90s.
That's what I mean. Well, that's it. So, okay. On my channel who's watching, this is why my hair is straight today, because I mean I had a relaxer at that time, and although my relaxer wasn't this voluptuous, it was a little more struggle.
It was struggle.
It was, you know how it is when you're doing your box relaxers at the house.
Oh yeah.
And you have your chemical cuts.
I used to have relaxers too.
So you know the struggle.
But I used to go to a salon.
Oh well, I'm sorry. Then you don't know the struggle.
I used to go to the Haitian lady.
Then you don't know the struggle.
Well, because I'm from Miami and Dominicans and Haitians lay it, you know. And I'm gonna keep saying I'm from Miami because I'm from the greatest city in the world. See how that looks? That looks ridiculous. I never even like did a flick either or nothing. I just like, this was it. And you, oh God, I'm so embarrassed.
Alright, this is what I would do. So then I'll put a little gold right there on the inside.
Oh, that's cute. You did a lot.
No, I was doing makeup now. I was always into makeup, but
my eyebrows didn't exist back then. They were like ridiculously thin, so I'd grab a brown pencil and I'd draw them on, but I can't do that because they're like there, you know?
they're there now.
Yeah, but I would do the bottom line a little bit.
Best friend in high school was my black eyeliner. And it would probably be...
you had a best friend, right?
Yeah.
I'm just saying.
Yes, I had. I had my best makeup friend.
Okay, this is middle school Yonia. Like high school Yonia was fun. Like I got better, but I'm gonna take it back to middle school because I feel like that's when I was really like, that's when the struggle was real.
That's because you were sneaking.
Tell me
when you're sneaking, it's always worse.
You were sneaking.
I mean, I was sneaking, but I was always talented.
Okay. Okay, this is it. This is makeup. Okay.
Oh, you're
and I just need one other thing. Well, because you're doing eyeshadow and stuff. I didn't do all that.
That's what I did.
No, I just need one last thing and I'm like done. That's my bronzer. We do bronzer because bronzer was what really made my makeup look complete.
Where's my lip? Alright. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. See, I had brought other lip liner.
But you're still cute even though your eyeliner's thick as shit.
It's thick as hell. I had brought other lip liner, but if I'm gonna be completely honest about what I used to do, I would take my black lip liner.
Yes, because I used to use my brown one.
I would use my black one. Oh, this is horrible.
Girl. I know I'm still putting on bronzer and you guys are like, how much bronzer is this bitch gonna put on? But like that shit went everywhere.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
I had the extra glossy lip, my lip gloss.
Oh, I can't forget my neck because I used to worry about my neck not matching. Yes, I did. I won't lie. I used to do this. God, oh my God, this was so embarrassing.
Here you go. Here we go.
Let me see.
My lip gloss is popping. Okay. Oh, I look like, oh my God.
You look,
It's the lip gloss. It's the lip gloss. I didn't know any better. I just
it's not bad though.
I knew you had to line your lips. I just didn't know that you weren't supposed to line them with black. Like I look like
brown.
I look like Little Richard.
I did brown. Or I would do, if I didn't do brown, I would do red.
I would do
But red was so bold back then for me.
another thing that I would do my black lip liner with my red lip gloss. Cause I couldn't do lipsticks. But
yeah.
my color lip gloss was
Oh,
red.
you remember the roll-on one?
Yes.
I did that. Okay.
That's when I remember in high school I learned. I'll show you. I gotta get my camera, my
You know
mirror.
what?
In high school I learned you take it and you do the top, like up here, and you flick it.
I didn't know that in high school.
That's what I would do in high school. You know, I was on the dance team, so that's what we would do.
That's why you were better with makeup than me. Okay, so the bangles are on.
Alright.
Now the hair and this here.
Alright.
You're gonna need that pro style, okay? That black gel, that super dark black gel.
Let me see.
The smell, oh my God, I know. You know
Yeah.
what? I've got something better for you.
Yeah.
Pump it up.
No.
Smell pump it up. How do you not? Oh, this brings back so many memories.
I can still smell it from here. I can smell it from here.
I smells like pump it up. Like this is my life.
Oh my God, your hair, you could knock on your hair.
Girl, yes.
I can't.
Okay, let me do this.
I used to do so many different things. So I would either do like, hold on, wait.
I got my brush.
Wait, we have to brush it down like this, right? And then I would.
Yes, the swoop.
Right there, right?
This is what I would do too, but I would do it with a whole lot of gel.
But see, I would not gel it because you know I ain't want it to gel. But that's not gonna be the look I'm gonna give you today. Hold on, I'm gonna
So
tell
we're
you.
gonna get
I'm
a
gonna
shit
give you
ton
that
of gel.
real.
Oh my god, I don't even know if I can still do this. Let's hope it's muscle memory.
You did it for so long.
It's muscle memory, right?
Okay.
You gotta get the hard brush first, because the hard brush is gonna get, because you know, you don't brush the curls out, you brush them with the brush.
I'm trying to get, so I don't know about y'all in Miami, but we used to do these twists in the front right
Oh,
here.
yeah.
Oh, mama. Oh, you look real.
This was it, girl. That was so cute. Oh, but you know what? I can't forget. This is so stupid, but you gotta let one little piece out from here so you can have a curl in the front.
Yeah.
Because if you don't have a curl in the front, like,
because that's showcasing your length.
right.
That's showcasing.
Right. Because are you even living life without that curl? And you see how I'm switching back and forth the brushes because you have to have the soft brush. The soft brush does the swoop, but the hard brush
Gets the rest of the hair.
so you don't have no bumps.
Okay.
Because you don't have the bumps.
That's the trick. She just gave you a jewel.
That is a jewel.
She
You're
just gave
welcome,
you a jewel.
early 2000s. Oh, girl, look. This is it right here. And this is where you spend like 20 minutes because you got to get the swoop, but you got to still like get it high.
Yeah.
And, you know, the swoop likes to move.
Yeah. You can't let it move. It has to stay there.
It has to stay.
You don't have enough gel. That's what that means. If it's moving, you don't have enough gel.
Right.
You have to pump it up over there.
But you can't pump it up till the end. Because when you
Okay.
pump it up, that shit is not moving.
So, again, don't judge my little ratchet twist, but you see I got my twist there. So now,
This is when you get two hair ties. But you don't use a hair tie because the hair tie is not going to be tight enough. You use something like, something rubbery, you know, something that's going to really like stretch. Here we go.
so you're doing your what? You're doing your sock bun?
No, you do the sock bun. I can't live that life right now.
Well, what kind of bun are you? I was gonna do my butterfly clip.
Oh, do the butterfly clip.
I'm doing the butterfly
We'll do the
clip.
sock bun next. That's okay.
All right. So for you, those of you who don't know, when you want to look fabulous and effortless, after you got your twist in the front, you're gonna pull it all back like this. You're gonna get you a butterfly clip, or what's the other little clips that the really old?
You know, I
school
used to be so good
clamp
at this.
ones?
This is a mess.
Because you were doing it every day.
That's true.
And you're gonna pull it all back into your little pony. Okay? So this is the trick, y'all gotta watch. Your pony, you're gonna twist it once. Okay? You gotta get the twist so that it stands up like this. From there, that's when you clip it. And from there, then you fan that sucker out like this. Oh.
Do you remember when you used to see people's like gel like on their foreheads? Like the black gel on their forehead? But you know that's how you know they took time on their hair.
Yep. Oh, my fan. My fan is lit. I don't care what you
Oh, I
say.
remember this fan. Yes.
My fan is lit, honey.
Fan. Yes.
And don't let me have a fresh wrap because it curls ever so perfectly.
Now I gotta get some gel on my little curl. But it never really was a curl because the gel was so heavy.
So it was just a piece. But it showed off your
But
length.
then, right.
There it is.
Yes, curl.
Where?
Right there at the end. That's what you did. You had to wave. Because you know you
Okay,
gotta.
because you said curl and...
What you're not gonna do is talk about my little curl with your little fan.
I mean, my fan is popping. This would have been a good fan
No,
growing
you
up,
know what?
though.
And then you
look
wanna
at
make it-
look how thick my fan looks.
You want to make it good, you got to brush out the curls so that it's poofy, so that you show that you have a lot of hair. Because, you know, I didn't have the straight hair like some of you girls did, so I couldn't just be like, oh, my hair is like, you know, you have to show you have a lot of hair by brushing out the curls. And if I was feeling real extra,
I'm over here feeling myself.
if I'm feeling real extra, you know what you do is you grab these little rubber bands and you make like a messy bun up here.
See, I wasn't doing that. See.
Yes, messy bun.
I've
And
seen
you gotta
it.
let them hang down.
I've seen it.
You gotta
I've
let them
seen
hang
it.
down.
Let me get some of this gel so I can get my edges together.
Get the edges, boo.
Let me get my
You
toothbrush.
feeling ballsy? You gonna put gel on your straightened out hair?
Just like right here.
Okay.
Not much.
Okay, okay.
Just a little bit. Not
Okay.
enough to where I'm really gonna get it too tough. Look at there. Tell me my edges ain't laid.
Yes, Okay?
Y'all see that swoop? Let me get my other side.
So Georgia and Miami, we were doing
We
the
were
same
close.
thing. We
We were
were.
close. I could still do this today if only I changed my lips. If I change my lips,
No, because you look real 90s, and I'm not even gonna stop looking.
if I
I'm not even gonna let you walk out this house.
If I change
thinking
my
that you should do
lips.
this today. No, because that liner is so square at the end.
no wing. No wing.
What?
I could get away with this.
That's like saying I could get away with this. Exactly. Do you see how you look at me?
I'm trying to lie with a straight face. So this is it, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed us looking crazy.
It was fun.
You know, the glow up is real. I won't go
I
back.
feel like we have to show them the glow up because I'm not gonna believe it.
I'm going to.
Just look on Instagram.
Yeah. I'm gonna put you a side by side.
That's smart.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you are on my channel and you don't follow Hair by Yonia, go follow her, subscribe to her right now. And if you are on Hair by Yonia and you don't follow Visto Styling, go follow me right now.
Thanks guys, this is so much fun. It was so much fun.
It was fun and I need to wash this off. We will see y'all next time looking like normal people.
Hopefully. Love ya, mean it. Hashtag Hair by Yonia.